But what I was going to tell you is, you can watch the whole proceeding. It's on video. The jail has released.
But
the
he
video.
wanted to make it clear that you couldn't video.
He made a condition
Little
before he
power.
would let me into the building that I couldn't video and that I couldn't audio record. So I said fine. But here's the odd thing. Now that we're in this dispute about what occurred, I want the court's audio. Okay. Well, guess what? They're telling us there's no audio.
Oh, they're turning down your FOIA.
They have a video. They say there is none. The audio either wasn't working or it's not available. But they have a video that they've released, and you can see me talking to the judge, and you can see kind of an interchange. And the next thing you know,
boom,
deputies are pulling my arms. They knock a book out of my hand.
Did you know they were coming?
Well, I knew they were right there because they were in the courtroom.
But you were manhandled.
I mean, and I have no complaint against
Sure.
them. But like I said, they were picking up on the hostility of the judge. Jailers and law enforcement people do that. I mean, if a judge is saying, hey, Mr. Comstock, you need to go with these deputies, well, then I would have walked with them. But if he says to those deputies, take him into custody right now.
They're listening to the judge.
Man, they're grabbing me. And that's what happened. But nobody's ever seen anything. No, we have never seen, much less a former judge or even a lawyer, be sent to jail for contempt of court. I mean, normally if a judge is upset with you, they fine you $50 if they think you've done something, that's over the line. Yeah. But I mean, the deputies grabbed me, pulled my arms behind my back, pulled me out of the courtroom.
This is somebody.
Had me naked within just a few minutes and gave me jail clothes to put on, and then took me to a solitary cell, which, I mean, it was a block concrete cell. I've been in jail a lot of times visiting people. I've never had the door locked behind me where I couldn't get out.
And the strip search and the whole thing.
And within minutes, and the odd thing was, I even said to the guy, I said, hey, do I have a bond set? I knew I didn't, because if you've been sentenced, get a bond. So he said, no, there's no bond. I'm going to get reviewed because the judge, I think, made a serious mistake.
Yeah.
Do you want to pull this?
How were the jailers and whatnot? Because
jailers were fine.
Really?
I mean, they were a little rough when they pulled me out of the courtroom. I thought they didn't need to be aggressive with me. I mean, they know me. They all know
right.
me.
That's what I was. Did they know you in the jail?
Oh gosh, yes. They all know me. So it was odd that they got so aggressive. But I think what happened is they were picking up on his aggression. When the judge is aggressive.
He took out his own personal angst on you.
Because he and I are in a big conflict about expanding a jail.
I know.
He comes to public hearings and testifies in support of the jail expansion. I testify against the jail expansion. And we've done it the last 3 months. So he was irritated even seeing me in his court that morning. Because I didn't represent a defendant.
Right.
So he's thinking, why are you here? And I said,
you were
I'm
there
here to actually watch what you're doing. That's why I'm here. And that doesn't
I'm in opposition to what's going on, and I want to see things go down.
I want to see how he does it, because one of the things he doesn't do is there's no defense attorneys there when they set bond. And we believe defense attorneys should be present. So I knew that he didn't have defense attorneys there, but I knew it secondhand. I wanted to go watch and see how he actually conducts it. And sure enough, there's no attorneys there. No prosecutors either. He acts as
the judge,
and the prosecutor. I mean,
executor
doesn't need to be there because
prosecutor, jury,
the whole 9 yards. So it was, but it's all going to get reviewed.
Yeah.